Hello, I'm Sir Highs, aka Rob. This is a tutorial that I created for my group Creator Tips, Tricks, and More. This is a texturing trick. I'm going to teach you how to use texture animation parameters, and I'm going to teach you how to use the cycling mode. And what we're going to do is, I chose to derive S and Ks. I'm going to animate the sign out front using cycling. Now to do this, we're going to have to start out with an image. So we're going to open up MS Paint. I'm going to go to Attributes, and we're going to use a standard width 256 and a height 128. And we're going to add some text to it. Type in here the club. We'll get that pretty close to center as we can. We can actually enlarge this a little bit here. One more time. Yep, too much. Alright, so we'll use it like that. Okay. I'll just center this up. And that'll work. Now, what cycling does is it uses the same image, but it uses the same size, the size 256 by 128, and it'll take images and cycle through them. So we're going to have to create an exact duplicate of this. And to do that, I'm just going to color my background. Let's change this actually to a dark red. And we'll change the background to black. And what I'm going to do, real simple way to do this, we're going to select all, we're going to copy. So now that we have it saved, we're going to change the image size. We're just going to double the width. So we're going to take it to 512. Now, I'm going to go back and I'm going to change my first image. We're going to make this bright red. And we're going to take out the color of the letters. Now, I'm just going to paste the image that we selected from before, match it up in the box, and then we're just going to save our image. I'm going to go into the previewer. I'm going to load my image. And keep in mind, this image is 512. And that's going to play into effect when we go to change this down below here. We're going to go into cycling. Since the first image is only 256, since each image that we want to see is 256, we have to change the cell width down here to 256. The height is going to stay the same at 128. We have two pictures up here that we want to show, two frames, so that's two cells. Now the frames will decide on how fast you want to show this animation. So we're going to put this at about, we'll say 6. Make sure our animation is on. Click Apply. As soon as the scene's updated. You'll see the front sign is now changed. And that's how you use cycling to animate textures. The next tutorial I'll teach you how to use scrolling. I hope you've learned something, and look for the next tutorial.